First and foremost, what is a leaf miner? Actually, leaf miners are seen as insects in their larval stage. These larvae eat the plant tissues slowly. Generally, leaf miner is not a great threat to our plants. Here are 4 natural and practical ways to deal with leaf miners on our Veggie. First is for us to always monitor our plant. The famous adage, "Prevention is better than cure," is still a good mantra and can be adopted in our urban farming. One cannot prevent a great damage if one failed to observe our plant's illness in its early stage. Most of the times, it costs a whole plant to save other plants. At this early stage of a leaf miner attack, examine and assess the extent of damage to the leaf and to the whole plant. At this stage, pinch the affected area with your fingers only. Larvae are soft-body insects, thus can be killed and eventually be controlled and preventing the spread of further damage. Next practical way is to start to pamper your plant. If the damage of the leaf miner to a leaf is almost half of the said leaf, the best way to prevent the attack is cut the affected leaf. Likewise, prune other unhealthy leaves of the plant. Further, cultivate and provide natural supplement to the plant. Since the plant is sick, it is high time to give it a special attention and provide necessary natural fertilizers.
If you want to learn how to make homemade banana, compost, and eggshell fertilizers, please visit Vampire 526 Horizon channel and learn.
After the assessment on the plant, segregate the plant and quarantine it for a while. As an immediate action after the observation, segregate the affected plants to avoid letting the leaf miner transfer to other plants. And lastly, protection must be done to avoid further damage to the plant. While the plant is under quarantine, make appropriate precautions and protections to the affected plants and to other plants. Application of some natural insecticides could be an option. Likewise, protective coverings can also be done.
That would be all. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you learned something, please click the like button. And if you want more of related videos like this, please subscribe and share.